I bought this piggy bank for our friends who are passionate about traveling, and I felt like it was the perfect way to help them save for the next adventure while giving them a sweet reminder of our friendship. So, this jar isn't just functional, okay? It's a heartfelt gift. The design is charming and it's versatile, making it a great addition to their home decor. Plus, it's a fun and practical way for them to save up for their vacations. So, whether it's a road trip, a cruise, or a relaxing beach getaway, this little piggy bank is going to stand out because it has designs on both sides of the container, which makes it super stylish and, of course, eye-catching. Now, it is made out of ceramic, but it is also dishwasher safe, so you can also use it as a candy jar if you wish. But I hope this will remind our friends of the adventures that they've had and the ones that are still waiting to be discovered. And of course, the thoughtful gesture for someone who supports their passion for exploring.